welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on Instagram and Twitter. Make sure that before you do anything, you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the bell just so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get straight into it, shall we? It is definitely time for me to get a curly cut. My layers have grown out. My bangs have grown out. Look at that. So I'm actually going to go and get me a curly cut. I'm going to go to my stylist. I will leave her information down in the description box. But I am definitely excited to see what my hair looks like after. I already know it's going to be great because I've gone to her ever since I got my first curly cut, and that was back in right there. So it's definitely time. My ends feel definitely rough. My ends pop a lot when I'm detangling. I have a little bit of split ends. I have a little bit of single strand knots, and all that needs to just go completely away. Enough talking. Let's go get my curly haircut, and then that's about it. I will come back and just give you guys my thoughts. And I'm in my car, hair looking fresh, time to ride out. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, so as you saw, immediately after sitting down, Jade and I got straight to business. She asked me what I wanted, and I told her. Now, since I've seen her 3 times prior to this cut, I didn't have to show her any pictures of what I wanted. I explained to her my vision, and she understood it. Okay, so the reason that I washed and styled my hair the day before and came with my hair styled already was so that she can see what I saw and what I wanted after trimming my hair. Fast forward, she shampooed my hair, added some conditioner, and now she's just picking it out to make sure my hair has no tangles before she goes in and cuts my hair. This is what helps her see my shape and see how much it has grown out. Now my hair isn't fully wet by the time she starts trimming. I only have conditioner in it and my hair dries up really fast. But since she's the only one who cuts my hair, she knew what she was working with. As you saw, before she cut any length off, she showed me and made sure I was comfortable with it. I love that because even though I give her the freedom to work her magic, you want a stylist who understands curly hair, is going to listen to you, and make sure that you are happy. My goal today was to trim the front and the top, but I wanted to retain as much length as possible. Now, as she continues to do her thing, I want to talk about the importance of having a stylist. If you don't have a specific stylist who cuts your hair, I recommend that you take your time and do your research. I definitely recommend Jade to anyone who doesn't have one, but if you have friends who also have curly hair, who likes to get curly haircuts, talk to them and see if they recommend their stylist as well. As you guys see here, she's just picking out my hair, and I really wanted to see what my hair looked like, picked out. I like to wear my curls really defined, but I also love to wear my hair just the way it is. So I'm just making sure that I'm happy with the cut, and so is she. Well, the thing is that it's still moist, so it's gonna shrink. So since I couldn't tell where my curls would fall once it was dry, we diffused a little bit. I know, the second time ever in life, and I was able to really see how long the front of my hair was. I still thought it was a little too long, so we ended up cutting it some more, and then it was perfect. Boom! This is what my hair looks like. We're going to rinse out the conditioner and get ready to style my hair. You guys won't see that. Hey, but you will see her styling my hair. So I did not bring any curly hair products, I know, but I allowed her to just use mousse. I trust her. Listen, you want a stylist that you can trust. So she added mousse to my hair, and we're just styling it again just to see what my hair would look like once it's dry. And I already knew I was going to go home, wash it, and style it the way that I wanted, but we both wanted to just have that clear picture, be happy with the cut and everything. So I'm picking, I'm fluffing, and this is what my hair looks like. It's not all the way dry, as you can see, but this is when I'm officially satisfied with my cut. Look at my smile, can't you just tell? So this is the before and after pictures. Obviously my hair is drier on the picture to the right, but you can still see that I have my same cut, and I am just obsessed with it. My volume is bomb. Thank you, Jade. Okay guys, so I am back home finally, and this is my results after my curly cut. I'll give you guys a 360. Ooh, not only do I have a lot of volume, I have the shape that I wanted, and I was able to retain my length. Let me show you guys. She did cut an inch from my ends. That's because they were looking a little crazy, and you know, I gave her the green light to do that. But I don't mind taking an inch and a half off of my hair because my hair really grows fast. So I have a lot of volume. My hair looks like it's a wig. I have a lot of definition. Not really. Let me stop. The definition will not occur until I style my hair. So stay tuned for my next video, which will be my new wash and go routine, especially after getting a new haircut. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm not too sure what products I will use, but if you definitely want to see what my hair looks like after being styled, stay tuned. Turn that notifications on by hitting the bell down below. And that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun today with her, and I really love my curly cut.